Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So I'm finally about to tackle these chairs. Like I've been putting them off for some time, and then I just said, forget it. Let's do it. And learn from my mistakes, guys. Like this definitely should have been done outdoors. I was just a little antsy to get started, but yeah, I'm taking some metallic gold paint that I got from Walmart. I'll tag it below. These chairs are super old. We've had them in the house for I don't know how long, but they've been through the ringer. So yeah. Alrighty, let's see what we can do with these.
I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch. Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got boy problems, that's the human in me. Bling bling, then I solve them, that's the goddess in me. You could've had a bad bitch, not committal. Help you with your career, just a little. You're supposed to hold me down, but you're holding me back. And that's the sound of me not calling you back. Why men gray till they gotta be gray? Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend set me down in the salon chair. Shampoo press, get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the bomb lighting. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. Truth hurts, needed something more exciting. Bum bum be dum bum be. You tried to break my heart, oh that breaks my heart.
Okay, and the fabric is now going on top of that original cushion. Leslie is here. Leslie is a big reason of why I'm even able to make this video. She came over and helped me and showed me how to do a chair. So thank you, Leslie, for doing that for me.
Shampoo press, get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the bomb lighting. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. Truth hurts, needed something more exciting. Bum bum be dum bum be. I'ma hit you back in a minute. I don't play tag, bitch, I've been it. We don't fuck with.
I'm from the streets of Africa. If it was speakers in my mind, I bet it would sound like whoa, whoa, whoa. That's why I smoke. Shirt off like I ain't got no clothes. Cause where I'm from, there ain't no snow. So I refrigerate my flow. That's how a nigga keep it cool. How can I not be happy all day? I'm from the streets of Africa. Even if I don't have no money, my nigga Tunde by the bar. Back home they call me Yolo burner, cause I'm so awesome, you should know. Always be on my speed Darlingtons, you know me, I'm no regular. Bang the them when I step in the room, the ground beneath you shaking up. Soon as your wifey seen me and my crew, she said you're breaking up.
Now here I am screwing the frame of the chair back to the cushion itself with the screws. Thank you, Carmen, for the screwdriver. And yeah.
Shirt off like I ain't got no clothes. Cause where I'm from, there ain't no snow. So I refrigerate my flow. Shaluchi, I know that's my bro. How can I not be happy all day? I'm from the streets of Africa. If you put speakers in my mind, I bet it will sound like. How can I not be happy all day? I'm from the streets of Africa. How can I not be happy all day? I'm from the streets of Africa. How can I not be happy all day? I'm from the streets of Africa. Even if I don't have no money.
How pretty that gold is. I love it.
Smiling with diamonds in my mouth. Why would you want to fuck my day up? My niggas run up in your house. Fucking with me, that's a no-no. Couple hot ones you can hold, oh. I pull up like Marco Polo. Make all the get them go loco. Somebody call the po, no. I'm fella Gucci with the hose. Shirt off like I ain't got no clothes. Cause where I'm from, there ain't no.
Thank you guys for watching along and completing this project with me. It was seriously fun. I would have been so mad at myself had I thrown these away. Thanks for watching.
La, 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 la.